Of course, this team filled with a lot of talent. Very close matchup yung nangyari versus University of Perpetual Health, but the defending champs pulling out that one.
Nakita nga natin lamang na lamang sa spike. Block, parehas lang sila. Pero sa service, lamang na lamang din tong Perpetual Health. Si Simbata and sa opponent hindi naman sila nagkakalayo.
Tingnan natin yung scores from last 3 sets, 24-26, 25-23, 26-24. Nakikita mo na how competitive that volleyball game was. Pero speaking of the ladies, one name really stands out from their lineup. In their first game in the Final Four, but that cell is not enough.
Tama ka din, James. Gretchen Santones being the highest scorer in this league, scoring 188 points. Pero sabi nga nila, diba, there is no I in team. Hindi pwedeng isa lang lagi ang lumalaban at nagugustong magpanalo sa team ito.
They actually tried to help us to see Gretchen scoring 9 points on 24 attempts. Pero mabigat po. Of course, you have your leading scorers as a leading scorer, but she has to get help from the other girls. They have to improve the other aspects of the game, floor defense and other things that they have to work on if they want to pull out the win. Let's turn it back out to Reza Diaz for the court conference of the College.
James, panghihinayang din ang nararamdaman ni Coach Chris Malazo dahil dikit na dikit nga lang daw yung laro ngayon at talagang sayang na sayang dahil sa seri na natin maisilang. Importante ang bawat panalo. Sa larong yun, hindi daw talent ang kulang nila. Ang naging kulang nila ay yung bitin sa huli. Or how to finish strong, that's something that they wish to correct in this game. James and Denise?
And tingnan natin, Denise, both teams, hindi naman nagkukulang sa talent. Hindi rin nagkukulang sa experience, the cleats of the elimination round, the EAC, and San Sebastian College Recoletos. In one statement, what do they have to do tonight?
Well, James, kailangan unang-una is i-push nila hanggang dulo. Yung game nila against natin nila versus Perpetual Health. Sa fourth set, from 16 to 6, na ipadikit pa nila yun to 23 to 23. Kaso nga, tama si Reza kanina, pinapush lang talaga itong San Sebastian Ladies fans.
Which team will come out with a win? We will find out coming from Blake dito na sa NCAA Final Four on Aspen.